All right, we're going to try to do a Weebly website and get our PowerPoint up here. To sign up for Weebly, we go to Weebly.com. You can see it up here, Weebly.com. You're going to type your name. I'm just going to go D. Humphrey. And we're going to use that email address, NSB HUMPHRY1 at live.com. And sign up. Let's see what it says. I don't know. Okay. AARCWSL. Okay, let's go. And we'll call this NSB. Just put your name in there somewhere. We'll call that an education one. We'll call it class project, for want of a better thing. Click continue. We're just going to use a subdomain. Those are the free ones, and so you can call that whatever you want. You can call it, use the NSB Humphrey, like that, and click continue. Those are the free ones. All right, now, this is where there's a lot of different things. If you click on this tab up here that says design, there's all these different designs, and you can click on this themes, and you can play around with this for a little bit. But basically what happens is as you pick one, these different things, these are different ways that it's laid out. You've got all different kinds of different stuff. So I haven't decided what one to take. Let me just take a one quick so I don't waste too much time. So we'll just do, I guess that one. I'm not crazy about that one. Okay. I'm looking for one that really doesn't have a lot of pictures in it, so simple. These don't look that simple. And boy, not crazy about any of them. All right, let me just take one of these because I got to get going here. All right, so we'll take that one. And all right, not much of a picture, but okay. So we're going to use this one for want of a better thing. And then what you can do is you can come up here and you can put a picture in. Down here you can edit that image. You want to do something else. I'm going to delete that one and I'm going to add an image, and I have on my computer, I got one of our logo. I'll just use this. Load that up there and you can size it. Oops. That looks about right, and say OK. And I'm going to click save, and I'm going to say as default header. That means it'll show up everywhere. So I've got that main thing, and now I'm ready to do stuff. So I click on the elements, and I'm just going to you can add pages. So if you wanted to have a second page, you can do this and give it a title, and you could call that Intro to Engineering Design, and click on Edit Page. Now I've got another tab, so I'm actually going to go to that tab to do I'm on that tab. I'm going to put my PowerPoint in there. This is how you add your PowerPoint. Custom HTML. I click that and drag that down here. And that's just going to have that there. Now I have to go back to my SkyDrive. Remember SkyDrive that you made up. I click on my folder where my PowerPoint is. I click on my puzzle cube. And then I click on Embed. And when I click on Embed, then Generate to make a code. Right click, copy, and I'm done with that. Now I come back to my Weebly site. I click here, delete that click thing, and just paste. That's my HTML code that will create it. And I'm going to actually change this to center, so that'll be in the middle. And I click outside of that, and it should work. And there's my PowerPoint with my slides. Okay? And so you've got that. And again, you can do a lot more with this. This is on my, so if I go back to my home, there's nothing there. If you wanted to put another picture in there, something related to, to do something with it, that's fine. And then over here, I've got this one. And let's see. And this, I don't think I can make it any bigger or anything. Yeah, we'll just go with that. Okay? So once you get it the way you like it, oops, it just went back to, I want it in the center. Then you click, when you have it all done the way you like it, you click on Publish. And you're going to use this NSB, you're going to use the NSB Your Name one here. And you click Continue. And there it is. And you can click on this button, and it'll take you to the actual web page. So this is the actual web page and what it looks like. This is what my first page looks like. When I click on this, I go to my Intro to Engineering Design, and I've got my puzzle cube. And I can go through that. If I click on this, it opens it separately. I can click on this, and I can download it. So there's a lot of different things you can do. Once you're done with this, then you need to email me your website address, okay, which would be this thing up here. So what you're going to need to do is, and you can go back, so if I take this and I right click and copy, go back to my SkyDrive, I can click on this and I can go to my mail, so I can use my email account. And so I can go to my inbox. These are things, look, Weebly is telling me you've made one, and it's telling me that my website is ready. Your website was born, and you've got 2 pages and 1 element. How exciting, okay? So now I can click on New, and you're going to email it to me, NSB. Can't see it. NSBengineer at gmail.com, and then you're going to say your last name and that, and then down here you're going to paste, where the heck is it? I don't see it. Okay, we'll try that again. I may have lost it in all my other stuff here. Copy link. Oops. Sorry, guys. Copy link location. Come back here. Okay, it's not letting me paste. There it is. And you can actually make it easier for me if you highlight it and then click this little button right here that says Insert Hyperlink and paste it in there again, because then that allows me to just click it and get it. And so then once you've got that all done, let's see, how do I send it? Oh, right there, send. I click send. And did it send it? Message has been sent. And if I go to my email account, let's see if it comes up. I will get an email that has, eventually, apparently it takes a little bit, I'll get an email here that will have that email from you. That will have that link. Okay? And so enjoy. You can do a lot with this. And this is something you can use to show people what you've done and to promote yourself. It's actually very cool. So, and I think we'll end it there. Good job.